What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to keep it real with some Jani real talk, and I want to explain to you why I think you're probably charging not enough for your DJ services. And to justify this, I want to share with you some perspective, some insight, and an exercise that will help me show you and reinforce to you the reason why I feel that you're not charging enough for your services. So pricing is a super controversial topic for so many people, and I feel that I've shared a bunch of videos on this channel that has got support and of course has maybe even ruffled some feathers for some DJs that are living the comfortable life and not charging enough or undervaluing their services. So I was thinking about this today because this week, today, actually, we have Nick Spinelli in Cabo San Lucas DJing a wedding. And when we were doing some of the work at the very tail end of this event, a lot of things came to the surface for me. And I want to share it with you because I think it can help you. So after going round and round, and not to divulge any information about Nick's event or anything like that, I want to share with you something that I thought of that led me to recording this video while I'm driving on 287 in New Jersey, headed Marcello's book lunch. Anyway, here is the point. You're probably not charging enough for your DJ services. So I want you to think about what you do. And if you're a DJ that specializes in weddings or mainly performs in weddings, and you think about your rate, let's just say you fall within like the national average, which is terrible, by the way, and it's like $1,500 for a DJ. And I don't care where you live, where you're located, what the market tells you, what the knot says. I don't care about any of it. You think about the market average for DJs in our industry, and it's quite low. So here's the exercise that I want to share with you to prove my point of why you're charging too little for your services. I want you to take a piece of paper out, and I want you to write every piece of equipment you take with you to your events. So if you do weddings and you're like, okay, I have a cocktail hour system, I have an iPad to play music on that, I use a controller, and these are my speakers, and this is how much I pay for cabling, and this is my microphone and my mixer and my facade or my DJ furniture, all the things that you bring to the table. Write them all down on a piece of paper. Now, I want you to take that piece of paper and I want you to go to a resource in your area or in your surrounding area, and I want you to try to rent all of that equipment for an event for one day. And chances are the production rental for all the things that you bring along with you to an event are going to be very close to or surprisingly more than what you're charging for your DJ service, including all the technology and equipment that you bring with you along for the ride to make that event happen. So here's what I'm saying. If you're a DJ and you are looking at this and you do this exercise and you see that the equipment that you bring with you to host someone's wedding has a production value of, let's just say, $1,500, and you're only charging $1,500, you're essentially selling your DJ service for zero. So what you need to think about doing is, if $1,500 is the amount of money that you need to cover your cost to make you feel good and make it worth your while, worth your time, and worth your investment of all the things, the aggravation, the stress, just doing the work, then you need to increase your pricing by whatever it costs to rent the equipment that you bring with you to support that. So if you're charging $1,500 and it would cost you $1,500 to rent the equipment, you should raise your pricing by $1,500, because now you are properly serving not only yourself but your business. And from a business perspective, you're taking care of yourself, the talent, and of course the rental. Because if you are not charging the right amount for your services, why are you even a DJ anyway? You should just be renting your equipment to other DJs that are charging much more than you are, who are able to get it. I think that could be like a hard thing to grasp for some people, but I think this exercise makes it very, very, very real. And I think this exercise could be applied to any facet of the event industry: photographers, cinematographers, a limo company. It could make sense for not only DJs, but planners and rental companies. Think of how this world works. As a DJ, you are providing your services to create a vibe, to create an experience, to tie together someone's vision and basically make an event happen. That includes the equipment portion of this. And if you're not accounting for that, you're missing something that's super important and you're leaving money on the table, essentially selling yourself short, and you're not charging enough for your services. I hope that makes sense. This is an important exercise that I think anyone and everyone watching this video could gain from doing. Just check it out. I know we have Nick in Cabo, and he's using equipment that we wouldn't even normally use at events, and it's costing over $1,700 for basic, bare anything. Now, when we do travel events, we account for production because it's part of the deal. Anytime we do a destination event, we've learned years ago that you have a talent fee and then you have a production fee. And the production fee includes the setup and the strike and the rental of all the gear needed to make your event work. And that is what I'm talking about. If you're serving clients in your local area and you're charging, whatever the fee is, and you're not accounting for the technology, for the production, for the equipment part of the equation, think about adjusting your services so that you're taking care of not just your business, but yourself. And I promise it'll be something that you will benefit from. So that's it. If you have any questions or you want to continue the conversation, drop underneath this video. Leave me some love or send me a question in the comments, and I'll do my best to respond to anyone. I appreciate you checking out this video while I'm driving right here on the channel. Be on the lookout for more content dripping right here to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead, and appreciate you being here. Thanks so much.